What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Welcome to another edition of Diecast and Hot Wheels news. We've got a ton of new information to go over today, so make sure you don't miss this episode. Before we get started though, make sure you guys head on over to my Instagram at Peak Time Racing, where I've revamped my Instagram. I'm posting a ton of really cool, high quality photos of brand new Hot Wheels castings. You don't want to miss any of those pictures, so head on over to Peak Time Racing Instagram and make sure you guys follow me on there. All right guys, now that you followed me on Instagram, let's start it off with our first news story where we've got some mainline and super treasure hunt pictures of the Morris Mini. Upcoming super treasure hunt. This is going to be out in probably the P or Q case of this year, so stay tuned. It's coming up very soon. But there it is. We've got the Hot Wheels logo on the side for the Tampa work. You can obviously see the Spectra Flame paint job on the supercharged variation, as well as those real riders. And one thing to note, if we zoom in here, you can see this looks like a metal piece sticking up, and this piece is plastic on this one. So it's kind of interesting that we're getting even a premium casting for the supercharged hunt as opposed to just kind of a recolor and retires and all of that. So there's some more pictures of them. We've got a different angle. We've got them from the front as well. Very nice looking. The number 10. I don't know what the significance of the number 10 is. And then we've got the Michelin logo right there. There is your super treasure hunt logo on the Morris Mini super treasure hunt variation. And then we've got the pictures of the back of them as well. So a lot of Morris Mini fans, I know you guys are looking forward to this one, so it is coming up very soon, and these pictures are pretty cool that we get these high quality pictures of them. All right, let's move on to our next story. We've got the Ford Mustang Super Snake brand new color variation. It looks to be either a very dark blue or a black. I'm gonna say black on this one, but it's hard to tell because the picture quality is not the best, but it does have some cool Hot Wheels Tampa work on the side. This one with the number 2, and then we've got some nice colored stripes on it. I don't know exactly when this one is coming out. I'm going to assume that it's probably going to be an early 2020 release, just based on when we're seeing the release of this picture, and then it has to go through its production phases and whatnot before we actually get it into production. But it's possible we'll get it in the late 2019, so you'll have to stay tuned and find out. Moving on to our next picture, we've got the Honda City Turbo 2. This one in a brand new gray or silver colored casting. We've seen a lot of different recolors of the Honda City Turbo 2. It's kind of a cool casting. I was really looking forward to it when it originally came out. Now they're just recoloring it a lot. It's okay. It's not really the most collectible for me personally, but I still think it's a pretty cool casting. Next up, we've got the Ford Focus RS. We've got some better pictures of a new color variation of this one. We saw some kind of bad pictures of it before. Now we're getting a little bit better quality pictures. I really like this color of it. It's almost like the color they released on the McLaren Senna for Hot Wheels, and now we've got these dark wheels on it and released this color right in that Ford Focus RS. I love it. I just love it. I think it looks so cool. I love the Focus RS. One of my favorite hot hatches of all time. We've got a couple other pictures of it. We'll move on to those ones, and there's one more right there. Pretty cool. I'm looking forward to this casting coming out very soon in the main lines. Moving on to our next casting, we've got another new color of the Range Rover Velar. We haven't even seen this casting being released, and we're already seeing new colors of it. So the casting that's going to be released, which will be in, I believe it's the P case. It could be the N case. I'm not 100% sure, but it is coming up very soon. It's going to be released in like a gray or silver color. And now we've got a white variation of it. So it's already being recolored. So it's possible that we're going to see these back-to-back cases. You never know. You never know. That would be pretty cool, because usually when we see a new casting release, we get a recolor of it the same year. So it could be one of the last cases for 2019 that we see the recolor in white of the Range Rover Velar. Next up, we've got some better, higher quality pictures of the Aston Martin Vulcan. This is one of the highest speculated castings this year that we're really super excited for. It's not going to be in the N case, it's going to be in the P case, so stay tuned. P case for 2019, Aston Martin Vulcan, and there we have it, and it's kind of this light green color, but I love the bottom of it. I love the front here. I love the blacked out wheels, the big wing on there. Such a cool casting. This is going to be in the top 4 for best castings of 2019. You guys know, we got the Bugatti Chiron, we've got the McLaren Senna, Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, and now the Aston Martin Vulcan. Those I think are my top 4 castings for 2019, but pretty cool that we get to see the release of it. This doesn't look completely set in, so this is kind of a pre-production variation. It's probably an unspun variation, but once we get it in the actual casting, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait to get my hands on this one and showcase it to you guys. And next up, we've got some new team transporters. We've got the Nissan Skyline GTR, the BN-R34 on this little transporter lift truck. Pretty cool to see a GTR. I know how much you guys are big JDM fans. You guys love the GTR. So any new GTR that comes out, especially on a transporter, it's going to be one of the hot items of this year. So this one is coming up very soon. If you're a team transporter collector, you're going to want to get your hands on this one. And next up, we do have the Porsche 356A Outlaw on a Volkswagen transporter truck. It's a pretty cool mixture of the Volkswagen and Porsche. If you guys don't know, they're obviously owned by the same people. Porsche and Volkswagen, they got a lot of history. Go look up the history of Volkswagen and Porsche, but you can see why Hot Wheels did this casting. It's going to be pretty cool. This one should be a very collectible one as well. And next up, we've got some really cool exclusive castings to Europe and Germany. They are the Nico Rosberg edition Hot Wheels, and these ones are little F1 cars with obviously the picture of Nico Rosberg on there. If you're not familiar with him, he's the 2016 World Formula One champion. So he has retired though, but pretty cool that Hot Wheels is doing kind of this ode to him. So we've got 3 different colored castings, which from right now, we know that they're going to be released in Germany and part of Europe, but we're not sure if they're going to be coming to North America or anywhere else in the world. But if you guys get your hands on these castings, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see more pictures of them in real life once they are released. I know there was actually someone that posted on Instagram of a picture of them in Germany, and there was already one of the black one, I believe it was, that was already released. So pretty cool. I really want to get my hands on these. I like the F1 casting. I've got a couple of older McLaren and Ferrari F1 castings, and they've become quite collectible now, but I love to see some new variations of them, and this is a start to it with the Nico Rosberg edition Formula One cars. And next up, we've got a brand new recolor for the Lamborghini Aventador, although this one is a very exclusive casting that myself and probably you guys are not going to be able to get your hands on. This was an exclusively done one for the Gumball 3000 rally that just happened. They handed these out to the participants of the Gumball 3000 rally. There's been a few of them floating around on the internet, pictures and stuff, whatnot. But if you see any of these go up on eBay, I'm sure they're going to go for a lot of money. That's if you'll ever see one go up on eBay. I'd love to get my hands on it. I really like the camo look on there. It's really, really cool. It's kind of an imitation of a wrap that you see all the Gumball 3000 cars being doing. So pretty cool casting. I've got all the color variations of the Lamborghini Aventador and Hot Wheels. I hope someday to get my hands on this one to complete the collection. New set alert. We did kind of go over this previously. Now we've got a better picture of the Car Culture Street Tuner set. This one with 5 different castings. Looks like we've got the Nissan Silvia, the Mazda RX-7, the Nissan 180SX, the Honda S2000, and the Subaru BRZ. This is a Car Culture premium set, which are going to run about $5 or $6. I can't wait to get this set because I'm really liking the BRZ and the RX-7 in this set. But you know what? If I can get my hands on all 5 of them, I'd love to collect them, open them up, and show you guys. So stay tuned. This one should be hitting stores, if not already, very, very soon. Another new set that we went over previously as well, but now we got some better pictures of it. The Forza Horizon 4 set. We've got the Nissan 180SX. Love the red with the white wheels. Looks really, really cool. We've got the BMW M3. We've got the Porsche GT2, as well as the Lamborghini Veneno. Check that one out. So cool. Love the wheels on this one. They look really, really nice. And we've got the Cobra Daytona Coupe as well. So really, really cool. Really looking forward to seeing these castings, as well as the Aston Martin DB5 as our last one. I can't wait till these ones hit stores. You guys know how much of a Forza Horizon 4 fan I am. I'm gonna have to probably get a set of these to collect, a set of these to open up to show you guys. But I'm so excited for a Forza Horizon 4 set coming to Hot Wheels very, very soon. And for our final story, yes, we have saved the best for last. We've got N-Case Hot Wheels revealed. We finally got some N-Case pictures, and oh my gosh, guys, N-Case is literally probably going to be the best Hot Wheels case ever. ever. I'm saying it right now. The best Hot Wheels case that they've ever released. N case has the best cars I've ever seen. I mean, we've had some really good cases. The M case that I just unboxed, that was amazing. But trust me, the N case that is coming up, you guys are going to absolutely love the N case. To start it off, the brand new recolor of the McLaren Senna in this orange color. I love this color. I think McLaren orange, they just go hand in hand. Orange, McLaren, you have to have it. So seeing the McLaren Senna being released in orange, I can't wait to get my hands on this casting. This casting actually has already been seen in 9-pack Hot Wheel exclusive. So if you guys have seen any 9-pack Hot Wheels cars, check them out. You might see the orange McLaren Senna already being released in it, and you can get your hands on it early. But if you can't, wait for the N case. It will be in the N case. Next up, we've got the Audi RS5 Coupe being released in the nice red colored variation. And we've got the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in white. And we've got the Tesla Model S, which will be the supercharger round for the 2019 Hot Wheels N case. This is the mainline variation of it, but I'm looking forward to seeing another Tesla Model S. And we've got the Volkswagen SP2 new color variation there as well. And we've got the Corvette Grand Sport with the Hot Wheels logo on the side. Hot Wheels Racing Team. Love the Grand Sport Corvette. And we've got the custom 56 Ford truck, new color variation of that one. And last but definitely not least, the Bugatti Chiron. The most sought after casting of 2019, the one that we've all been waiting for. It is coming in the 2019 Hot Wheels N case, the next case that is being released. And guys, I just want to do a quick shout out to granittoys.com. If you guys want to get yourselves a 2019 Hot Wheels N case with all of these cool cars potentially in them, make sure you go on to www.granittoys.com and you can order a 2019 Hot Wheels N case. Trust me, you're going to want to order a 2019 Hot Wheels N case, guys. So many good castings. Alright guys, you've officially been caught up in the world of diecast Hot Wheels news. Make sure you guys go on over to my Instagram and follow me if you haven't already at Peak Time Racing. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.